Alright. Amateur side load operator versus experienced operator. Let's see what we got going on. 360. So you put your grabber around the folding bit on the back. Halfway. Don't push it, mate. Yeah, grab. There you go. Put it up. It slid out, mate. Recycles all over the road now. Hasn't put it in the hopper. Oh my goodness. I'll get the shoulder out, mate. What is he doing? Oh my god. Oh, you've just scratched it. What are you putting it up for? 120 litre? Can't screw this. What are you doing? Grab it. Don't grab. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. That's alright. Well, that's a good one. Mate, there's nothing in it. It's alright. Don't stop it there, mate. Down, open. No. Don't drag it. Oh dear. Yeah, no, don't push. Nobody. Oh my, what are you doing? Oh, you can't grab it, mate. It's too small. What are you doing? Yeah, no, there you go. Yeah, you done it right, actually. Yeah, good on you, mate. Yeah, it's empty. Yeah, down. Yeah, it's empty, mate. What are you doing? It's empty, mate. No, don't lid flip it. It's empty, mate. Empty. It's empty. Put it down, please. I'd like you to put it down, please. It's empty, pal. It's empty, champ. Down. Release. Put it down. Oh man, I'm getting a migraine. Oh dear. Yeah, down, mate. It's already empty. Come on, mate. The resident's already out front waiting to get a bit. What are you doing? They're empty. Oh, look at all the scratches that he put on the side of it. Oh no, just let go. Don't grab it again. What are you? It's empty. You already emptied it. Put it down, mate. Put it down. Now he's coming out with the boom slide for no reason. What are you doing? It's not even in the hopper. Oh, Jesus Christ. 360, yeah. No, too, I got to lower it. No, you do that, mate. Don't do that. No, that was alright. I'll give you credit for that. Yeah, no, go up. You can, no. Got to grab it around the back, mate. How can you screw up a 240? Alright, let's go. What do you got? Yeah, that was smooth. Oh, that arm's going to break a lead. Needs to slow it down. It's empty, mate. Yep. What are you doing? Down. No, you don't do that. You're meant to put it down more. Oh, it's empty. It's empty. Idiot. It's empty, pal. This was my truck and this was a trainer. You'd be walking back to the depot. Oh my, you just scratched it. What are you doing? Oh, mate, we're going to get complaints coming in left, right and centre. Don't you break the wheel, you do. He's lucky that wheel didn't break. That's a common way to break wheels. Oh, this silly bin. What are you doing, mate? Yep, it's empty, pal. Send it down. Down. Put it down. What are you doing? I'm getting a headache. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, can't screw up a 140. Yeah, it's a nice 140. Very clean. Yeah, it's empty, mate. It's empty, mate. It's empty, mate. Put it down, please. What's he looking at it? You just need to put it down. That's all you need to do. Oh my god. Ah, dummies. No, you're the driver. You need to pick it up, mate. Yeah, that's good. That's how you meant to do it. Grabbers around the comb on the back. Yeah, no, that's how you... No, you're going to lose it, mate. It's going to fall in. Put it down, son. Down, yeah, open. There you go. Now in. Arm goes in and you're done. Oh, look at all the scratches on the bin. again. Oh, so low too. Oh, don't screw this up. Yeah, up, mate. Yeah. There's a leaf still in there, mate. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. Nah, there's a leaf in there, mate. Didn't even empty the bin properly. Oh, no. I just realised. Oh, there you go. Leaf's out. Yeah, they're out. It's empty, mate. Put it down, please. Put it down, please. I don't know what he's doing, but you need to put the bin down, please. It's empty, pal. Oh, gee. Yeah, okay, empty. Put it down. Put it down. Oh, mate, we didn't even see. He probably threw it across the yard. That's why they cut the footage. You've already done this bin, mate. You already emptied it. What are you doing? Stopping it for no reason. Sending it back up for no reason. Yeah, you flip the lid. Let go. Let go. Let go. Oh, no. Up a bit to stand it up. No. Oh, yeah, he probably broke that one as well. Oh, my God. Yeah, close. Don't move it anymore. Close it. Close it. Up. Yeah, good on ya. Yeah, it's empty, mate. What are you doing? It's empty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, down. Release. And in. It's empty, mate. Oh my goodness. It's like this guy's Kawinda-bologist. He picks up just like him. Oh mate, you're going to break the hydraulics if you do that. Come down, mate. I like the power pole in the background. That looks very clean. Yeah, down. Release. In. Yeah, that was alright. I give that an 8. Nah, grab. Yeah, that was a clean grab. Yeah, that's how you do it. No, I actually like that one. That was very productive. Yeah, oh, that was very rough. Nah, you just lost all my marks. Emptying it again for no reason. Just lost all my marks. Nah, no good, mate. Down. Oh my goodness! Leave it alone. Yeah, in. Go in. Leave it alone. Good. What the hell is this thing? What the hell? Yeah, no, it's alright. It'll still go in. Yeah, you're right. Oh, Jesus! Oh, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, down. Oh, God, I'm glad they cut that. I didn't want to see what happened there. Gee. He's done this bit about 9 times. I told you to leave it alone. It's empty, mate. Put it down. Next bin. That's rough. Very rough. I've already seen this clip. This was the clip that was just on 40 seconds ago. Yeah, I just don't need to repeat it, mate. I've already seen it. Get a headache. Oh, mate. Ah, 120. Oh, no, it's a skinny, actually. Yeah. These are easy to screw up. Okay, oh my God, he just hit it on the panel. Yeah, it's empty. Oh my God, imagine all the scratches on it. Oh gee. Yeah, oh yeah, release. Release. No, because it's going to go. Yeah, oh no, you done that right actually.
Hey, how do you like being a Garbo? Right, mate. You know, I'm a captain and I'm driving a garbage truck.
That's the exhaust brake, mate, the bottom one. Oh, mate, don't do that. You're going to get a noise complaint. What is he doing?